What's the video today? I'm going to show you 5 Amazon hacks that are going to save you a ton of money in the long run and even get you some products for free. If that sounds interesting, let's get into it. Tip number 1 is to filter on 3-star reviews. Now, looking at 5-star reviews is only give you a positive image of the product you're looking for. Looking at 1-star reviews is going to give you an opinion of someone that hates the product and probably had a very bad experience that is unlikely for you to have. And looking at 3-star reviews is going to give you an unbiased opinion of looking both at positives and negatives of a product. So overall, 3-star reviews should give you the best overview of a product that is fair and unbiased. Tip number 2 is to filter on category charts. Now, if you're looking at a certain product, say an umbrella because it keeps raining outside, you type in umbrella in the search bar, go to the first result, and then what you want to do, key, is to filter on that category. So you're going to scroll down and see a rating, for example, number 23 in umbrellas. Then you're going to click on umbrellas and see the chart of most sold umbrella products on Amazon in that category. Now, if you choose the number 1 product in that category, you're always going to get the most popular product that has the highest value. And you might ask, who decides what the best product is? Well, it's millions and millions of Amazon customers making their decision, reading reviews, and ending up on that product. So if you just filter on category charts and always buy the number 1 products, you basically never go wrong. I've tried that so many times and I never regretted buying one of those products. They tend to be the highest value overall. Tip number 3 is to return products that are cheap to get them for free. Now, if you order a relatively cheap product, say less than $10, and you're trying to return that item, Amazon has it covered, give you free shipping when returning the product, but in some cases it might not be worth it for them to resell the product. Say you're buying a book for $6 and try to return it, Amazon might be able to sell it for $2 or something, and they have to ship it again, and then they have to pay for your shipping to get that back to Amazon. So it might be more worthwhile for Amazon to just let you keep that product, return your money, and just leave it at that. Now, I've tried that a couple of times on books, a shaker cup, and a notebook, and more things I probably can't remember, but if you're doing that on a product that is less than $10, chances are that you're gonna get to keep that item and get your money back. In some cases, you can also just start a return even though you're not trying to return the item and see if you get it for free, and if you don't, then just cancel the return. You shouldn't do that too often though, because Amazon is gonna notice and they could restrict the amount of items you can return to them, and they're probably not going to return your money if you do that 100 times. Tip number 4 is to test items as long as you want to. Basically, Amazon offers 30 days of returns, no questions asked. So at one point I got a Nintendo Switch because I really wanted to try it out, and I just bought a game for it separately, Super Mario Odyssey. Now, I played through the entire game, returned the Switch, and then sold the game for like $10 less than what I paid originally. So I got to play a Nintendo Switch for over a month, play the highest rated game on that console, and overall just spent $10. Now, I might have actually kept that console, but chances were quite unlikely. So I just wanted to try out the product for free, basically. Now, if you contact Amazon, you are in most cases able to extend the amount of time you have to return that product. So they could maybe extend it from 30 to 60 days if you give them a reason, like you want to try it out some more. That could be the entire reason, and then that really gives you tons of opportunities to try new products, and that is part of the reason why Amazon is so popular, because they have the best conditions. And that brings me to tip number 5, which is to contact customer service whenever anything goes wrong. Now, Amazon is trying to have the best customer service in the world. That is one of their mission statements, and that really shows in some cases. For example, I ordered an Amazon Fire TV stick and it was out of warranty and didn't work anymore. Amazon just went ahead and sent me a replacement, and they really have real humans answering your questions. They have both calls available, chats available, email support available. So that's just crazy. And what I'm trying to say is, whenever you have any kind of a problem or something related to a problem, you should just go to the Amazon customer service and tell them your problem, and you're going to be surprised at what they offer you. That's been pretty much it for today's video. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed these tips. If you have some more, leave them in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.